Hey guys, my name's Wayne and welcome to another episode from our business growth series. The place for you to learn everything you need to learn to grow you and your business. If you've not seen the previous video where we show you how to price your services, go back and watch that first. This is an advanced video to that one. I get asked quite a lot how much you should charge for mileage and how to calculate that mileage charge. Some people question whether it's just the government allowance rate that you should be charging. So I thought it would be a good idea to put a video out there that shows you how to calculate your mileage rate. Because if you don't know how to calculate it properly, it can potentially be losing you money for every mile that you drive. So in the video, we're going to show you how to calculate your mileage rate properly, what to include when you calculate your mileage rate, and how far you can travel before it becomes financially unviable. So there's a link at the bottom of this video. Click the link and watch the video in full. We'll take you through a step-by-step process to show you everything you need to do to grow your business. Last of all, if you want to get more tips and strategies to help you grow your business, click the subscribe button below and then click the little bell symbol in the corner, and then every time we release a video, you'll get notified. So click the link and I'll see you in just a few seconds.